Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and account readiness. Open the Google Fi app and sign in. This tells Fi to provision an Esim for your line. Once done, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network because the Esim profile downloads over data. Next, in the Fi app, tap Activate or Set up Device. This step requests the Esim QR or a direct download. You're now ready to accept Google Fi's Esim profile. Once Fi has sent the Esim offer, switch to your iPhone and go to Settings, then Cellular. You will tap Add Cellular Plan. This opens the scanner if you need to scan a QR from the Fi app, or it will prompt an automatic transfer when Fi pushes the profile. Make sure to accept and name the plan. Labeling avoids confusion if you keep a physical SIM. Also set cellular data priority. Choose which line handles data and which is voice only, because that determines how your iPhone uses both plans. You finish by restarting the iPhone to finalize network registration. This helps the carrier recognize the new Esim. After reboot, confirm Fi appears under cellular with signal bars and run a quick call, text, and data test. If data doesn't work, go to Settings, Cellular Data and switch to the Fi line, then toggle data roaming if traveling. If something goes wrong, like no activation, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds. Try the Esim install again, and contact Google Fi support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.